Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I'm here with the Formula One analyst. He's going to tell us all about Formula One. Good day, sir.
Good day, sir.
And how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Tell us who you are, where you coming from.
I am Knuckles. I come from Formula One.
Tell us about Formula One.
Formula One, Max Verstappen was not nice on it, but I'm gonna talk about him. But in the race was cool. George Russell was the first one, Lewis Hamilton was the second one, Piastri was the last one, then Mercedes-Benz win.
Why do you love Formula One racing?
Because Lewis Hamilton always win and his partner George Russell.
So he is your favorite racer?
Yes, but Red Bull is no more my favorite racer because Max Verstappen, when it was nighttime and the game was not over, the safety car was in the front of Lewis Hamilton. Then after when the safety car was out, then after Lewis Hamilton almost go first, then after Max Verstappen just go on Lewis Hamilton's way, then he win. I wanted Lewis Hamilton was be the first one.
So, if these people are racing, do you normally watch on TV live? Tell us about that.
I do watch on TV and YouTube. TV and YouTube only.
So, when Verstappen win, are you happy or are you not happy? Who else do you love in the racing?
I love Norris, Piastri, Lewis Hamilton, George Russell, and
Okay, let's move forward. The Formula One racing, when is the next racing?
on Sunday. Every day Sunday.
What is the message that you can tell all fans of Formula One?
I could tell them in YouTube or TV. I'll tell them in YouTube.
Thank you very much, analyst. And when are you going to come back and talk to us?
Next week Sunday.
Oh, next week Sunday.
On Sunday.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye. My name is Knuckles and I'm a Formula One analyst. See you later.